My name is Ken Kowalski. I'm the operations manager here at JB Hostetler. People count on the fact that when they buy something here and they know, hey, I can come to you guys. I know you're gonna, take care of my product, and, gives them peace of mind too. We have over 13,000 separate part numbers in stock that cover both the appliances and the gas-powered equipment. The important thing to remember when you purchase something at JB Hostetler is we're not only here, to follow up with you after the sale. If it's something you purchased, like say you come in and purchase a refrigerator off of us, you're going to have JB Hostetler employees coming to your house, installing it, hooking up the water line, making sure everything's working correctly. And if you have any problems, whether it's 2 weeks or 2 months or 2 years or 10 years down the road, all you have to do is give us a call. We're going to go out, we're going to take care of that problem for you. If it's repairable, we're certainly going to repair it for you. But you give us a call and you're going to talk to somebody in this store. We're going to have all the information right up front, and we're going to be able to come out and help you out with whatever issues you would have.